Hello everyone, Tom from Surfy here, and today I will share with you 5 differences between Surfy AI and other leading AI writing tools. I will finish by sharing some stuff that we are working on right now, as well as walk you through things that are common for all AI tools, but Surfy does them better in my honest opinion. First things first, while all of the tools are scanning content only from search engine result pages from given keyword or keywords, Surfy AI runs additional searches when it finds out that SERPs lacks some important information. To break it down, imagine asking one of the Surfy AI competitors to create an AI article. You provide the keyword, say Adidas Ultra Boost shoes review. Those competitors will now run an analysis of what's ranking for this keyword and use content from top performing pages as seed information for their prompt. So far, so good. But what happens when top performing pages do not provide enough information on specific details like price? What if top performing pages could include way more details? Well, their AI won't be able to include those. And that's where Surfy AI differs so much. While Surfy AI gathers data, it doesn't just passively collect what's already out there. It actively seeks out additional details to enrich your content. Whether it's pricing, usage tips, or other essential insights, Surfy AI fills in these gaps, providing a more detailed and valuable final piece with additional insights over competing content, thus improving your information gain score. Google's recent patent indicates that they use such a ranking system to prioritize pages with surplus information compared to other URLs. That right there is a game changer in how the end results turns out, and it's a big reason why Surfy AI stands out head and shoulders above the rest. It's the only tool that provides you with a more detailed final article that reads just like human written content and feeds your EEAT score, bringing your authority up at the same time. But wait, there's more. You can also toss in your own 2 cents anytime. Got some unique insights or fresh take? Just add it as another bullet point. You can tweak, trim, or expand however you see fit. And if you've got external sources to back up your points, just drop in a link. Surfy AI is smart enough to catch on and include that info right where it needs to go. Pretty cool, huh? Moving on to the second point, it's all about how deep Surfy AI dives into research for every piece of content it creates. Before Surfy AI even starts typing out the first word of your article, it's already gone through about 300,000 words worth of information. Yeah, you heard that right, 300,000 words. What does this massive deep dive mean for you? It means you can be super confident your content won't be just SEO friendly. It's going to be well researched, packed with rich details, and truly one of a kind. Just like Google loves it. Now, some of you might wonder why Surfy's price tag is a bit heavier than what you see elsewhere. The answer is pretty straightforward when you think about it. We invest way more into crafting each article than most of our rivals combined. That level of commitment and research is where your extra investment goes, making sure you get the top-notch content that stands out. Diving into the third big difference, content quality. Now, I understand that quality can feel pretty subjective, but there are definitely some ways to measure it, right? Look at how Surfy's AI content stands out in terms of clarity, readability, and logical structure, as well as depth of information and lack of repetitions. Among all of articles tested, all of the competitors were repetitive, used obvious AI language, and even made incorrect claims. Some were barely distinguishable from what you would get with a single ChatGPT prompt. Here are some example articles from Byword, Koala, and Content at Scale to stack up against Surfy AI so you can see the difference for yourself. I will drop a link in the description so you can check them out on your own. Fourth difference. Every article generated by Surfy AI is equipped with Surfy, our AI assistant on SEO steroids. Surfy works like most chat-alike AI tools, so you don't have to leave an application for rephrasing, expanding, adding links, or humanizing content with your personal input. What makes Surfy unique is that it is designed to help you optimize articles for search engines, so you can be sure whenever it is asked to do something, it will have your main objective in mind. Fifth difference. It is already optimized for search engines based on Surfy's SEO engine. Thousands of happy customers can't be wrong. Surfy has the best on-page optimization engine among all of such tools. Before Surfy AI, thousands of our customers were pasting AI-generated content to Surfy for SEO boost. We also understand that we won't convince everyone to use Surfy AI, and that's fine. However, it speaks for itself when hundreds of people are generating content in ChatGPT or in our competitors' tools every week, but come back to Surfy for SEO optimization. For those who would rather not spend hours tweaking content or who need to produce a lot of articles, Surfy AI is the go-to solution. And the only one that lets you close countless tabs and work comfortably from a single place with confidence. That covers the main highlights, but Surfy AI got even more up its sleeve. We are talking top-tier, costly models for generating high-quality images that are unique, stunning, and yours to use with any content you whip up using Surfy AI. We also dig up questions directly from Google and serve up answers. Thanks to the vast amount of data Surfy sifts through, these answers are spot on and stand a great shot at landing in Google search as feature snippets. Don't forget about our templates. Besides articles, we offer setups for product roundups and reviews. Here's the cool part. Just plug in URLs for products you are eyeing to compare and let Surfy AI take it from here. Or leave it blank and let Surfy focus on those that are getting the most buzz from top performing sites. Choosing Surfy AI also means you get the full suite of Surfy tools: content editor, audit, keyword research, and our comprehensive topical map. There are also cool updates on the horizon. Soon, you will be able to generate entire categories in one go and have them interlinked automatically. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and as always, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. Cheers!